Hello and welcome to art class. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a loom out of cardboard, and the specific loom we're going to be making is one that will create a pouch. This pouch will have 3 enclosed sides. It'll have 2 sides and 1 bottom and then an opening at the top. So we're going to learn how to make that. Everyone has a piece of cardboard and we are going to create notches in the top and the bottom. These notches need to be about 1/4 inch apart. You can see I already made mine in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is take my ruler and I'm going to put it across the top. My pouch is 6 inches wide. And I'm going to take my marker, and I'll tell you, I like to make my loom on my corrugated cardboard so that the ridges run horizontally. Or the long way is vertical and you can count the ridges horizontally. That way, when I am weaving, it has less of a chance to bend. If I ran it this way, it has much more of a chance to bend. You can actually see it's already bending. So try to make your loom so that your notches in the top and bottom are along the long ridges in the cardboard. I hope that makes sense, that you can see right there, the long ridges. All right, so you're gonna take your ruler, lay it across your cardboard. Mine's 6 inches. I'm gonna mark every 1/4 inch on the top and bottom of my cardboard. So I put the ruler about 1/4 to 1/2 inch down from the top edge. That's about 1/4 inch down, and that's 1/2 inch down. So somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, closer to 1/2 inch. I'm going to lay my ruler and then I'm going to mark every 1/4 inch, just a little dot, every 1/4 inch on my cardboard. And I do that all the way across. All these little dots. Once I'm done those markings, I don't need to mark the very end. That's the end of my paper. There's no reason to. I'm going to make straight lines coming up from it. If you'd like to give yourself a really nice guideline, you can make a straight line across at the end. That's going to be as far as your markings go to. Now I'm actually just going to flip it over because I did it on this side. I made those straight lines up, and that's as far as my notches are going to get snipped to. Once you've created those notches on the top and the bottom, you're going to actually snip them. So, snip, snip. You snip to that line you made so that they're all the same length. You don't snip past and don't snip too little. Less than 1/4 inch in is too small, and you'll find that you end up losing your yarn and losing your place, and it's hard to find yourself again once you do that. So we're gonna snip all of these. You should have between 20 and 25 notches. I think I have 23. It depends how precise your measuring is. You should have about 23, but between 20 and 25 means you're in the right ballpark. If your measuring was really precise, you should have about 23. All right, and so that is how we create our loom. You're then going to designate one side as the top, one side as the bottom. I'm just gonna write top right here and bottom right here. And as close to the top as you can, you're gonna write your name. So I'm gonna write Mrs. C, because we're going to start our weaving at the bottom and build it up. We want to be able to see our name there. So that is how you create your loom. Our next video is going to be on how to put the warp strings on our loom. Create your loom and then watch the next video. Good luck.